Founded in 2010, Zhaga Consortium is an international organization that develops industry standards for lighting. Zhaga has its origins in Europe and is a member of IEEE Industry Standards and Technology Organization, IEEE ISTO. The purpose of having sockets is to allow the customer to utilize flexibility and interchangeability in a sustainable manner, both in terms of make and model as well as luminaire accessories. Sockets are currently available for outdoor luminaires, but work is underway to develop similar systems for indoor luminaires as well. Next, let's take a look at the introduction of LONGJOIN Zhaga sockets.